Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome to today's video. I'm going to draw the Spider-Man Pavitr Prabhakar. Hope I said that right. From the Indian Spider-Man from Across the Spider-Verse. I'm starting to draw him using my iPad. I've recently got an iPad and I'm just constructing him in with some blue lines, getting the proportions correct. So that's how I plan it out. Think of this as like a map for your drawing. You want to construct things up, get it looking correct, all the right proportions, angles and size first, lightly with a pencil, and then we can outline from there. I'm just going to speed that up, and at the end of my construction drawing, you can pause it there just to construct up your own. Now time for the outline, and I've just made the construction lines a little bit lighter, and now I'm just putting in the details. This is where you refine it with your outline pen, and I'm just making sure that I sketch it on nicely, changing any bits that I need to, making sure that I get all the details, the important details, looking great. Now, if you've seen the movie, you would have known this character and how cool he was and the scenes in it. I just loved how the artists or the animators who created this movie went from sort of animation to look like comic sort of strip to almost pop arty and then back again, and it was just a visual feast, really, to be honest. It was an awesome movie, and the storyline was pretty epic. And if you've seen the movie, you'll know how it ended. Can't wait for the next movie. Now, this is one of my early iPad drawings. Let me know whether you prefer me drawing on the iPad or whether you prefer me using hand-drawn with my hand like in most of my other videos. The process is still the same whether it's iPad or with the pencil. Construct it up first and then refine it with my outlining, and you can do the same with yours. Remember, you can pause it at any time to catch up if it's going too fast. Also, you can zoom in on your device that you're watching this on, unless it's obviously the TV. That might be a bit tricky. Hey, I'd love to hear who your favourite character was from Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse. Well, I kind of like the punk one as well. With my colouring, I still love to use Copic markers, so I print out my drawing that I've done on the iPad and then I colour it in using my Copic markers. Hope you liked the video and could follow along, and hope you've done an awesome drawing of the Indian Spider-Man, Pavitr Prabhakar. It's a mouthful. I'll see you next time. Cheers for watching. I'll see ya. Bye.